in Japanese or Korean cuisine, plums are very important. I love plums as it is. I usually make slightly spicy noodle salad. Woolworths Flavourburst Plums make the sauce. Sauce is slightly spicy, sour, and sweet. Traditionally, it is sesame oil or perilla oil, but in South Africa, you can get wonderful olive oils. If it is Italian pasta, don't forget to season the water with salt. If it is like Asian noodle, salt is already in the noodle, so you don't need to season a lot. I also add protein. My favorite choice is pork, just seasoned with salt and pepper and pan fry. If you're vegan vegetarian, I recommend tofu. If you want to go slightly fancier, use some mushrooms. This dish is very delicious because it has balance of flavor and the texture, and it's very easy, no stress.